Hi, I'm Jodie Hatcher. I'm the technical instructor in the metalsmithing workshop. There's a lot of base metals in here, so you've got copper, brass, nickel. So if students are wanting to use those materials, they come down and see us and we give them advice on their projects and how they can use this workshop. I think I love working with metal just because it's quite unpredictable on how it sort of moves and how you can shape the metal. Because I work a lot with copper, obviously it's really soft, but the different colour ranges and things that you can do with copper is something that I really enjoy. We meet lots of students from different courses in this workshop. It's not just design crafts, we get like footwear students, architecture students, fine art students. They're all doing different projects and they all want the workshop for different things, so it's a nice challenge for me. I hope I give them skills and knowledge of metal work. We never say no, never say anything's impossible. We always say, let's give it a go, we'll try it, we'll see if it works.